So here they go. There goes the leader. Chelsea's the leader this year. Who's the next brave soul? This is flotilla number 3. The 3rd annual Ladies' Night Out on the River, or Day Out on the River. And there goes the beer wagon with Carissa in charge. Here comes Sarah, brand new Pelican, first time on the water with the Pelican. Notice she's got a beer deal in the back. And here comes Janna coming down her stretch into the rapids. Right down the middle. There she goes. Here comes the tail gunner. Jennifer on the Red Devil, Old Town kayak. Good start, nobody drowned.